Do you want to get notifications in your Discord server whenever you go live on Twitch? This tutorial review will show you how to auto-notify when go live on Twitch in Discord server. So the first thing you have to do is add the MeeSix bot to the server. So open your browser and type meesix.xyz and you will jump into the MeeSix website. Here click on login with Discord. Click on authorize. Now select the server where you want to set the MeeSix bot. Continue. Authorize and ensure that you are a human. Then make sure the MeeSix bot has been added to your server. Once done, we need to create a new channel. So click on this plus icon, select text channel, and I'm giving the channel name here Twitch Notify, and then go to the MeeSix website, and here inside of all plugins search for Twitch. You will get Twitch alerts here, so enable the Twitch alerts plugin. Here give your Twitch account username and select your account, enter here your message, and here select the channel where you want to post your Twitch notification. Then all you have to do is just click on save and close, and you are all set. From now on you will receive a message in your Discord server every time any of your Twitch channels goes live. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.